Guys, I'm just making this short video because I don't think I've made a video of the cat yet. If you guys haven't met the kitty, this is my sweet boy. Hi, Boots. We adopted him from a local shelter around here. He is so sweet. Hi, baby. Hi, puppy. Yeah, he's happy. You're a happy boy. You're a happy boy. Well, I think he's around 8 months now. We adopted him in July when he was about 7 months old. He's so sweet. Oh yeah, for you guys that don't know, you're so cute. You know that? You're cute. He's not going outside. We're keeping him indoors. One thing is, you're so funny. So we came from the shelter. He is chipped. And he's fixed, of course, so they won't be making any babies, huh, boy? Huh, buddy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? He's so sweet. Look at that face. What are you doing? He's goofy. He's such a sweetheart. He's a good boy. Huh, puppy? Huh, boy? Okay. I just wanted to show you guys the cat for a minute. He's so cute. He's so cute. I love him. Hey. Boots. Come here. You can ignore me? Okay. Oh. Where are you going? Well, he just left. I guess, Mom, that's enough filming. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys the cat. Yeah, he just left. I guess he doesn't care. He's such a sweetheart. Anyway, yeah, I guess that's it because he left. That cat, he's so funny.